Welcome to Miss Pam Reads. Today we are reading Pete the Cat's Groovy Guide to Kindness. Tips from a cool cat on how to be kind by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete the Cat's Groovy Guide to Kindness. Tips from a cool cat on how to be kind by Kimberly and James Dean. That's the title page. Kindness is kinda my thing. And there's this little mark here. There's over here too. And it's the name of the person who said the thing above it. So Pete said this. 3 things in human life are important. The first is to be kind. The second is to be kind. And the third is to be kind. Henry James said that. Guard well within yourself that treasure, kindness. Know how to give without hesitation, how to lose without regret, how to acquire without meanness. George Sand said that. Every act of kindness is groovy. Pete said that. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Aesop said that. Remember that the happiest people are not those getting more, but those giving more. H. Jackson Brown Jr. said that. Kindness is contagious. Pete. For whoever, in enjoying kindness, knows how to return one as well, he is a friend more valuable than any possession. Sophocles said that. Wherever there is a human being, there is an opportunity for kindness. Lucius Annaeus Seneca. There is a chance to be kind to any cat you meet. Pete. And above all these, put on love, which binds everything together in perfect harmony. Colossians 3:14. Those who are happiest are those who do the most for others. Booker T. Washington. Bring happiness to everyone you meet. Pete. Try to be a rainbow in someone's cloud. Maya Angelou. Radiate good vibes. Pete. Integrity is doing the right thing even when no one is watching. That says unknown. They're not sure who said that, or maybe so many people said it that they don't know who said it first. Share kindness everywhere you go. Pete. Have you had a kindness shown? Pass it on. Henry Burton. One kind word can warm 3 winter months. Japanese proverb. Just one kind meow can warm a heart. Pete. Be the change you want to see. Attributed to Mahatma Gandhi. Kindness is free. Sprinkle that stuff everywhere. Unknown. Good vibes all the time. Pete. a little kinder than you have to. E. Lockhart. It's cool to be kind. Unknown. Kind cats are cool cats. Pete. Kindness lasts. Pete. Our fingerprints don't fade from the lives we touch. Judy Blume. Friends show their love in times of trouble. I don't know how to pronounce this one. How about Europeats? I don't know. Kindness is always the grooviest thing to do. Pete. Be kind wherever possible. It is always possible. The Dalai Lama. On that best portion of a good man's life, his little, nameless, unremembered acts of kindness and love. William Wordsworth. Let your light shine. I like that one. Pete. Kindness is the touch of an angel's hand. James L. Gordon. Kind people are the best kind of people. Unknown. Kind cats are my kind of cats. Pete. Never believe that a few caring people can't change the world, for indeed, that's all who ever have. Margaret Mead. Kind hearts are the gardens. Kind thoughts are the roots. Kind words are the flowers. Kind deeds are the fruits. And that's an English proverb. Kindness grows the coolest flowers. Pete. The end. Thank you for joining me for Miss PM Reads. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you get updates when a new story posts. Thanks. Bye.